Hello, I'm Stefan Kadocki. I'm an assistant professor of pathology and laboratory medicine, and I was the chair of the R Medicine 2020 and 2021 virtual conferences. The mission of the R Medicine conference and community is to promote the development and use of R-based tools to improve clinical research and practice. The first R Medicine conference took place in 2018 as a two-day event on the campus of Yale University with generous financial and organizational support of the R Consortium. And the event featured keynotes and invited talks by R-Stats rock stars like Rob Tibshirani, Max Kuhn, and Mide Chedinkaya Rundle. Fast forward to 2020. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, we were forced to pivot to a virtual format. We took advantage of this by redoubling our effort to market to an international audience. We also worked to increase our reach by forming partnerships with R educators, underrepresented minority R user groups, and medical professional associations. And as a result of these efforts, we were able to grow almost fivefold compared to the previous year, establishing R Medicine as a major international virtual conference. And central themes of the R Medicine 2020 conference included the COVID-19 pandemic, reproducibility, and using R in clinical trials. In 2021, we continued a trend of steady growth. Participation increased by 13% with representation from 60 separate countries. We almost doubled our revenue due to a number of successful sponsorship agreements, and we tripled the number of pre-conference workshops and also added an interactive poster session. Central themes of R Medicine 2021 included algorithmic bias, visualizing clinical data, and putting R into production. We are already actively planning R Medicine 2022, which will again be a virtual event. And central topics we are considering include clinical data harmonization and standardization, R and analytics in medical education, and communicating data to non-tech audiences. A major change this year is that we plan to provide continued medical education, or CME credit, either for individual workshops or for the entire conference. And in the United States, physicians need to collect CME credit to maintain their licenses. Therefore, by offering CME, we will create a meaningful bridge between analytics and medical education. Finally, and this critically depends on whether we can secure professional organizational support, we would like to offer year-round programming. We have built a network of outstanding R educators who are willing to teach for free if the administrative and event planning work, social media work, and event infrastructure and post-event work are taken care of. If we could offer free R-based educational events with CME credit year-round, utilizing the well-established channels of distribution of the R Consortium, that would really take R Medicine to the next level. And I hope that the R Consortium may consider this idea worthwhile for support and funding. Thank you very much.